Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about Airline Canada baggage rules. So let's get started. So when it comes to the carry-on baggage allowance, passengers can bring one standard carry-on baggage with a maximum of 23 by 40 by 55 centimeters or 9 by 15.5 by 21.5 inches, and one personal item that fits under the seat in front of them. And when it comes to the checked baggage allowance, it is basically limits vary by fare type and frequent flyer status, but generally allowing 23 kilogram, 50 pound to 32 kilogram, 70 pound per bag, with a maximum dimensions around 158 centimeters, which is 62 inches. And when it comes to the exceeded baggage fees, additional fees apply for baggage exceeding size or weight limits, which vary based on the route and fare class. And passengers are advised to check the airline website to contact the customer service for the current fee. And when it comes to the special and the prohibited items, Air Canada has specific policies for specific items like the sport equipments and the pets and etc. And prohibited hazardous material, weapons, and flammable substances in both carry-on and checked baggage. And the passengers should review guidelines for the compliance and the safety. So yeah, that was the video for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.